Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python library which is called as Gradio. Uh, Gradio is a very popular library inside Python if you want to quickly design user interfaces or web applications if you are testing some kind of machine learning or machine learning models, AI models. So if you are building any sort of artificial intelligence kind of application inside Python, if you just don't want to waste time in writing the code for designing the user interface, then this is actually a very popular and good library for that. You just need to concentrate on your application, not itself for building it. So this is actually a documentation given right here. So hello world, various kinds of examples are given right here. So you can see on their website they have, these are some of the interfaces that they have designed. Using this you can build out these web application. So this is simple hello world, and for this to get started, simply create a Python file and simply paste this code. And for this you need to install this module which is Gradio, because if you run your application you will see this error message coming. So as soon as you run this Python script, it will start this application on your local port number, localhost 7860. So if you try to open it inside the browser, simply go localhost 7860. So you will see the application will look something like this. It actually inputs, the user will input their name and click on submit, and the output will look something like this. You will see hello like this. So this is a very simple interface. We have the two input fields, first for receiving input and the second one for outputting the output. So as you can see, using this much of code we have generated this complex interface. So if you're building some kind of artificial intelligence application, then this library will be very much helpful. And you can visit their documentation. They have also given some complex examples as well. So they do have their own custom components as well. So if you specifically are creating an application which contains some user input, you allow user to upload files, then they have ready-made code available, so you don't need to rewrite from scratch. So you can see that you can publish your application as well using this command gradio cc publish. So this will publish your application instantly. So you can run this command from the command line. So this is a command here. So as soon as you execute this command, your application will be published. So this is actually the Gradio library. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.